Hi friends. Okay, so for today for math, we're gonna do a little something different, and bear with me if the screen freezes because I'm gonna be switching screens a couple times. So hopefully this all works out. Okay, so we are on Unit 4, Module 3, Session 4, and the name of the lesson is called Compare, Spin, and Win. Okay, so if we could look at our I can statements, I can count forward from a given number rather than starting at 1. I can count objects by ones, saying the number in order and pairing each object with only one number name. I can describe the length of an object, and I can describe the difference between the lengths of two objects. That's going to be our big one today. We're going to describe the difference between the lengths of two objects. Please let your arrows go. Okay, so yesterday we focused on animal tracks and we looked at how long the animal tracks or how long it took the animals to get from one place to the other, and we measured out which animal it took longer, which animal it took shorter. So I have some sneakers on this slide here, and we're going to talk a lot about how long it takes us to get from one place to the other, or how long a couple of objects are in our house. Okay, so we're going to count how many footsteps are here, because remember, when you take footsteps, it's one step at a time. And we're going to count all the way up to 50 and then back down to 0. So let's count how many footsteps are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we have 8 footsteps. So we're going to start at the number 8 and we're going to count all the way up to 50. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Good, stop. Remember, you should be choral counting with me. Now we're going to go from 50 all the way back down to 0. 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, so now I'm going to show you this game, okay? So this is a game that I'm going to click on our website, and you guys will get a chance to play it with your moms and dads at home. But it is called Compare, Spin, and Win. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to tell you about the game first, and then we're actually going to go play it. Okay, so first there's a card up here, and I'm going to pick the card. Okay, it's going to show an object in the classroom, and it can also be an object that is in your house, that lives in your house. Okay, and then KO1 or another person is going to pick a card again, and another card is going to come up. Okay, these are the measuring cards, or these are the picture cards. And you're going to look at both of these pictures. Now, let's see, what do we think? Do we think a window is bigger, or do we think a bookshelf is bigger? So we're going to make an estimate. We're going to take an educated guess, and we're going to think that, is the window bigger? Is the window longer? or is a bookshelf longer? Okay, so I'm gonna guess, I'm gonna make the estimate that a window is bigger than a bookcase or longer than a bookcase, okay? And I wrote here that we're gonna take some popsicle sticks and measure them, but you know what? Miss Ewan doesn't have popsicle sticks, and I'm sure you guys don't have popsicle sticks. So we can't use popsicle sticks, so we're gonna use our feet instead. And it's gonna be kind of hard to use our feet to measure the window. So we're not gonna measure the window, okay? You guys are gonna pick your own objects to measure. But first we're going to play this game, okay? So bear with me, I'm gonna switch screens again, and we're going to come up, oh, here it is, okay? So this is the game. Oh, and then, so sorry. Then we're gonna click the spinner, and if I guess that the window is going to be longer, and my Mr. Ewan guessed that the bookshelf was gonna be longer, and we spin, I won because I think the window is gonna be longer. So he lost, so I get a point, okay? And we'll go 4 times. And whoever gets the most out of the 4 spins wins. Okay, so let's try this. All right, so let's go back now. I want to start over, Miss Ewan. Let's start over. Yep, do you want to start over? Yes, I do. Okay, ready? Here we go. Okay, so I have a computer screen, which I'm staring at right now. All right. And then Mr. Ewan's gonna hit the pick button. He's gonna pick the card. Oh, and he has the table. So I'm gonna make an estimate, and I'm gonna say that the table is longer than the computer screen. Okay, so let's spin here. You know what? I didn't win. And you know what? Mr. Ewan didn't even guess. He guesses that the table is longer than the computer screen as well. But both of us lost because it didn't spin on the longer than. It came up as the same as, even though it's not the same size. The table is definitely longer, okay? That was our first spin. Let's do a second spin. Oh wait, I gotta go to start over again, hold on. Okay, back up here. Oh, window and a whiteboard. Oh, wow. Well, if you look at these 2 pictures, my estimate is going to be that the whiteboard is bigger. Mr. Ewan thinks the window is going to be bigger, longer. So we think the whiteboard is longer than the window. Let's click. Neither of us won because it came up same as. Are they really the same size? No. But if somebody guessed that they were the same size, then that person would have got the point. Okay? Start over. Here we go. Oh, a bookshelf again and a computer screen. Let's line those up. What do we think? Bookshelf is bigger or longer, or the computer screen? You know, I kind of think that the bookshelf is going to be longer. Mr. Ewan thinks the bookshelf is going to be longer too. Okay, so hopefully it rolls on longer then, and then we'll both win. Same as again. Silly. Nobody gets a point. Okay, so one more spin. A whiteboard ledge and a table. You know what Miss Ewan thinks? Miss Ewan thinks that the whiteboard and the table are the same size. And Mr. Ewan agrees. He thinks that they're both the same size. So hopefully when I spin, it says same as. Because if it spins same as, that means that we both get the point. Oh, shorter then. So neither of us got the point. Okay, so I hope you guys kind of know how to play. You get 4, you can go 4 times. Whoever gets the most times that they won the spin out of 4 wins the game. So you guys can play that a little bit while you guys are at home. And now I am actually going to start the video. Hey friends, but I'm going to do something really quick. Hold on 1 minute. Okay, friends. So I'm going to measure 2 things in my house, and you guys are going to actually do the same thing. We're going to have fun with this. Now, I originally was going to measure with popsicle sticks, but I don't have popsicle sticks, and I'm sure you guys don't have popsicle sticks in your house. So we're going to use sneakers, okay? You're going to get your sneakers out, but you know what? You don't have to put them on your feet. You can just use the sneakers to measure what we're going to measure. So I'm going to measure this little table that I have first. And remember, when I measure it, we're going to put heel to toe. So it's going to make sure that the heel, the front of your shoe, touches the back or the end of your other shoe. That's how we know something is really the true length of it, okay? So this little table here, you see right in front of you, I'm actually going to measure its length. All right, let's move this out of the way. And here is this wonderful table. I'm gonna guess that it is, I'm gonna take an estimate, and I'm gonna estimate that this is 5 sneakers long, okay? I think it's 5 sneakers long. Let's see. 1, can you guys see it? Yep, you see my sneaker. 1, 2, wow, it's only 3 sneakers long. Aha. Okay, so that table is 3 sneakers long. You know what? I'm gonna actually go measure my couch. I don't know if I could measure my couch because it's up against the wall. Let me see, I'm gonna measure something else. I gotta think about what other thing in my house I want to measure. So give me a minute, I'm gonna think about it. Okay, friends, so here we are in my living room, and we are going to actually measure part of my couch, okay? We're not gonna do the whole couch because it's hard for the screen to see the whole couch. So I'm gonna just do part of my couch. So remember, the little mini table that was in my dining room measured at 3 sneakers, okay? So 3 sneaker steps or 3 steps, all right? Now we're gonna measure part of, actually, let me see something. Let me see something. Hold on 1 minute. Let's see. No, we couldn't do my whole. We can only do half. So we're gonna only do, because we can't get it up high enough. We're gonna do this little piece of my couch, okay? Little piece of my couch is, it's called the chase part of the couch. It's like the long part of my couch. So remember, we're gonna use sneakers, and I'm gonna estimate that that is, I'm gonna estimate that that is 6 sneaker lengths long, okay? Let's see. Let's do it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, friends, Miss Ewan was wrong again. Okay, estimates don't always have to be right? Okay, so we are going to think about that. My little table was 3 sneakers long, and this mini part of my couch was 4 sneakers long. So 3 sneakers long and 4 sneakers long. Which one was longer? I know. The couch was longer. The couch actually measured 4 sneakers or 4 steps long. And my little table only measured 3 steps long. Okay? So I want you guys to actually pick 2 things in your house that you want to measure. And I want you to measure them with sneakers. Okay? You don't have to put the sneaker on your foot. You could just use it like this. And remember, put them, have them touch, heel to toe, and you can measure it. You could record it in your notebooks. Make sure mommy takes a picture. So you have a couple things to do today for math. You're gonna do that. You're gonna go on Dreambox for 20 minutes, and you are going to play the game Compare, Spin, and Win on the website. And you can take pictures of all of that, so I can see that you did it. So you have 3 mini things to do for math today. I hope this is fun for you. Jason actually had a measuring assignment to do for his first grade class today. So we had a lot of fun with that. We measured all things around the house with our sneakers. So I hope you guys had fun with it. And I will see you tomorrow. Have a terrific, terrific, terrific Tuesday. I'll see you guys soon. Bye for now.